Welcome back. This is another episode of Tech in the News. It is Wednesday, July 29th, 2020. What's going on? We have PS5 completely outpacing Xbox Series X in terms of popularity, says new research survey results promising for Sony. So based on an independent research study conducted by Experience 12, a pop culture agency, they found that a whopping 84% of participants said they were more excited for the PS5 over the Xbox Series X. The data set isn't a massive sample size, only 3,000 people were surveyed, but still makes for an interesting read and is perhaps a microcosm of the bigger picture. Arguably, more eyebrow-raising is that only 37% of the people said that they plan on buying a next-gen console at launch later this year. The rest of it is just more stats comparing Xbox One, PC, Nintendo Switch. You can read it here. I'll cover the whole thing, so if you want to read it yourself. My take on this, it's going to be a short one. This isn't going to be a long Tech in the News today. I feel like the realm that includes PC gaming also is a realm that includes Xbox gaming. If you have a PC, you also technically have an Xbox. So that means any Xbox exclusives, such as like Gears of War, there's a way for you to play those on PC. You can get the app for it, I believe, in the Windows Store, which will then allow you to play whatever Windows or Xbox games on your PC. That being said, I feel like not a lot of people are really interested in the new Xbox because of that reason. I think people are seeing that now it's probably a better idea to just get a PC and move forward with that. The fact that you can play a multitude of games and have so much more flexibility when it comes to games with an actual PC versus, a console, especially that being restricted. So I feel like those who are going to be interested in actually gaming on console still going forward are probably going to be the ones still using a PlayStation, mostly because there isn't that, transparency between a PC and a PlayStation. That's my 2 cents on it. I don't really have anything else to contribute to why. Well, I guess I do have, games that are currently on PlayStation I feel like are better as compared to games that you'll notice, like the exclusives at least, as compared to Xbox. So that's my take on it. I don't think Xbox will continue on into the foreverness that is gaming. I think at some point the line will be blurred so much that it will just be you're getting a PC. I mean, as is with the new Xbox Series X. I mean, it looks like a tower. But I think that's kind of where we're going. I think it's going to be like that before you know it. And it will just be the PlayStation at some point, and then that will just become its own computer, just like Mac OS. It's their own different operating system. So that's my 2 cents. If you want to give me your 2 cents, feel free to leave it in the comments below. But thank you, as always, for watching, and have a good one.